Oobleck is what we call a non-Newtonian fluid. Now, a non-Newtonian fluid means that it changes its state of matter based on certain conditions. Does anybody know the 3 states of matter? No? No guesses?
No.
Well, you had one before, liquid. Liquid is a state of matter. But Oobleck, as you see, can also be a solid. And the other state, gas. So, this Oobleck, the condition that makes it switch is how much force and speed is applied to it. So, for instance, if you have a pile of Oobleck and it's just sitting there, it's a liquid. And the second you put force to it, like if I punched it, it would be a solid. For that split second that my fist first hit it. Make sense? So, you don't understand now? So, basically what happens is the second you start touching it and putting force to it, this is easy to change. You'll see a lot of it when you start doing it. But it'll be very liquidy, it'll look very liquidy. And then, once you start touching it and moving it, it will be a solid. You guys can mix this up with your fingers. The way we make this is 1/4 cup of water. Always the first group. Well, it's very easy. You just need 1/4 cups of water, and you will also need 1/2 cup of cornstarch.
Okay.
No, you're not starting to. You gotta wait for me to get that cornstarch in.
So when we start mixing.
Once you get this cornstarch in, which is all this stuff. So this cornstarch will make it very, very thick at first, because that's what cornstarch does. It makes things thicker. You use it a lot in stuff like gravy, or sauce, or cream, which cream is also another non-Newtonian fluid. So as you'll notice, when you start mixing it, it'll get harder and harder to mix.
Yes.
I'm, nope, I'm getting yours, don't worry. I came over to this side first, because Jay was still mixing it.
Yeah, a knife?
Yeah, that's fine. You can use a knife if you want to. Be careful.
Knives are better to mix. You just keep mixing it so it's not liquid?
No, you'll keep mixing it and mixing it. And you'll see. Watch.
Why does it look like milk? It's very
That's just because the cornstarch.
Oh,
And if you guys want to, you can do this at home, super easy, and you can use food coloring too to change the color of it.
ooh, do we have food coloring?
Sadly, we do not. I wish we did.
That would be cool, right?
It would be very cool.
Up in the lunchroom.
We do not. They threw that out a while ago, but ooh, sorry. Yarn.
Does that burn like the corn thing?
No, it's just cornstarch. People use this in food. Yeah, go ahead. Once I give you your little bit of cornstarch, you go ahead and start mixing it. Don't worry, Valentino, I'm coming over.
Wait, what kind of mix do you mean? Like hard mix?
Just mix it up.
This looks like oatmeal. It actually looks like milk.
So, now,
In my opinion,
if
it looks like milk.
it does look like milk. If yours is very watery, like it seems very, very watery still, then you need more cornstarch. But if it's really hard to mix and it's a little too thick, very chunky, then you need a little more water.
I really don't know.
So, watch. Good test is if you stick it in, you stick in your thing to mix it, you pick it up,
Is it okay to break it?
see how it drips like that?
That means it's not drippy. Too liquidy?
So, a little bit, you gotta make sure you mix it nice and well. And it'll get hard at the bottom, but that's okay. Pull it up.
I'm done mixing because I feel no more corn whatever.
Alright,
So do I have to keep mixing?
mix it up just a little more.
Do I need it? Do I need some on the table?
Yeah,
I want to go wash my
it cleans up
hands.
easy. Let's try not to make too much of it.
This is really thick. Can I wash my hands?
Well, let's see. Ah, see, yours is very liquidy, so you need a little more cornstarch.
This is
Watch out.
really thick.
Go ahead and mix that up. What's up?
Mine is really hard.
Really hard? So watch, if you put your finger in it, Notice how it's only really hard to flop.
I have to keep on mixing.
It's tough.
Anthony, if you don't feel any more of that, doesn't mean you're done.
Well, just put your finger in it. See how it just drips off easy and it's not very. Doesn't stay very long.
Whoa, this is cool.
Do you think I need more? Anthony, can you eat that?
I need water. Is this edible? Anthony, no. Only when you put it in food.
Watery. Mix it up. Keep mixing it up.
Can I eat cornstarch?
You can eat cornstarch. Cornstarch is edible. Sorry.
Can you eat it on corn?
You know, that's a good question. I've never tried it. How does it taste? That's okay. Oh, I gave you way too much. You're definitely going to need some water afterwards.
It smells different.
Gosh.
I will be right back. I'm going to go grab some water real quick.
Yeah. It's really hard to be.
I don't know how long I should keep mixing.
This is getting a
Just keep mixing.
This is my new clothes. I want to wash my hands real bad. At least it's fun.
Let me give you
Mine
just a splash
has
of water.
bubbles.
It's a lot of back and forth, you can tell.
Anthony, mine has one bubble. Mine has none. I'm the only one that.
It is, yeah. Go ahead, mix it up. You might need another splash of water as well.
So.
I know, Colin. It's very hard.
Alright, how you guys doing over there?
Oh, it's so sticky.
The more you do it, the more harder it gets.
I'm gonna use my hand.
I don't think. Oh, it's called pressure. Me too. I'm gonna use my hands.
It's better to use your hands than a spoon. It's so
This might be messy to use your hands, but
It's okay.
oh no, I don't think using all your hands.
Stick your finger in. Scoop a big block.
Oh, it sucks. Sticky.
I know, right? Dawn, look, I'm using my hands now.
Checker. Let me check.
Oh, I don't like it.
Well, I want to be like a mixture.
This is better though. Use
I'm
your,
gonna mix
with your
it
hands, but it's
Ralph,
with
look
your
how I'm
hands very
mixing
messy.
it. I keep my hand the same and just grab
this
it
one's very
and
good.
it works. But my other hand will get messy.
Mine's just fine. Oh, mine's definitely right.
Mine, it feels like glue.
No, it'll feel like that.
Look at-
It's okay.
Look at mine.
Anthony, do you think
Look at
mine is
mine.
good? I don't know.
Anthony, is this supposed to feel like this?
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be.
Oh my god. Do I need
So when you scoop it up,
Anthony,
solid, and then liquid.
do I need to mix it more or is it good?
No, you're pretty good.
is mine good?
Yeah, yours. You three got yours pretty good. I think we just need to fix up the lids real quick.
It's kind of like glue.
Ah, get off
What the
me.
heck did you do?
Nothing
It's
like
kind of like glue.
jerk,
Yeah.
jerk.
If you're done mixing yours, if you're right at the right spot,
I'm
and you
punching
go wash
it.
your hands now.
I don't like it.
It's kind of like glue.
Yeah, it's kind of like that.
Are you? What are we gonna do with it when we're done?
You guys can take it home and play with it. Now watch this. Excuse me, Valentina.
I don't like how it feels. It feels so weird.
I'm gonna go wash our hands now.
You ready?
Yes.
See? It became a solid. Barely any got on my actual hand. All this was from before from testing it.
Anthony,
Now watch.
I actually got like little. It's on both my
See?
hands. Look. Let me try. Look,
Do
Anthony.
you have little cuts?
That's
It's just getting in your cuts. Just mix with your knife, okay, bud?
Can I go wash my hands now? This is really sticky.
Yeah, it's very sticky.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Ralph, what are you doing? Ooh.
It's usually a nice big batch.
Anthony, am I getting close to being finished with this? I'm already done.
Yours is pretty good. See how it goes like that? It's good. Alright. I will be right back. I'm going to grab you guys some baggies. So you can go and put it in there, okay?
Do I punch it?
If you want to punch it, go right ahead.
Okay.
You broke it.
Sure.
Do it fast,
It
Johnny.
got on
You
my-
gotta do it fast. You gotta tap fast on it. Look. Nothing gets on your finger. Huh? Nice.
Oh, you should do it first.
Look. Ready? Nothing gets on your finger.
Why? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I know.
Sweet.
Let me try. I'm gonna try again. I don't know why.
Wait, all I gotta do is.
Well, punch it very fast or tap it.
If you do it slowly, it's gonna turn into a liquid. Yeah. You gotta do it quickly.
Alright, if yours is all done, you're gonna take it. Yeah.
You gotta go fast. If you touch it really slowly, look, it's liquidy, right?
Guys,
But then, yeah.
I'm really slow.
What you're gonna do is when yours is done, grab a baggie, and you can just pour it right in. It'll pour right into it.
Anthony,
I'm
mine's
doing
done
it
now.